This week's art quote comes from the American painter and art instructor Bob Ross, who became a part of the very fabric of the art world. Ross said, "Talent is a pursued interest. Anything you're willing to practice, you can do." True story. In another life, I wanted to be a singer. I had the lessons, the lungs, the demos, the shows, and some very nice shirts. But when it came time to go deeper, to learn the language of music, the theory, I lost interest. I realized that I simply wasn't passionate enough about the gift to explore and practice it. But with visual art, I can't get enough of it. I have this insatiable hunger to explore the disciplines and mediums that I love, to learn, to develop, to grow. And that's exactly what Ross is talking about. Talent grows when we pursue what excites us and we show up to practice it consistently. And as we put in the effort, our skills grow until they become second nature. Go out, be great, show up for your art, and may the creative force be with you.